So you've got oranges, chocolate, sugar, coconut, eggs.
All that crap that I would never cook with if you paid me.
Right now, you're about to face another mystery box challenge. Using the ingredients in that box, you'll be required to make the best dish you possibly can in just 30 minutes. You can use as many or as few of the ingredients as you like. Our judges, Gary and George, will be choosing the 3 most enticing dishes to taste. And from those 3, they'll then choose their winner.
The winner of this challenge will gain a massive advantage by being allowed to go into the pantry and choose the core ingredient for today's invention challenge.
It will be fantastic to win this challenge just because it means you've got such a huge advantage over everyone else in the invention test.
It's time to reveal the ingredients in your mystery boxes. You can lift the lid now.
My first reaction taking the lid off the box is, yes, it's a dessert challenge. I could actually win this.
No!
So you've got oranges, chocolate, sugar, coconut, eggs.
All that crap that I would never cook with if you paid me.
Don't be afraid of what's in front of you. Think about all the things you can make. Puddings, pancakes, custards, sabayon. There's a million things you can do there. Keep it simple, but take it to another level.
Your 30 minutes for your mystery box challenge starts now.
When we're told to start cooking, it's that usual flurry of people running around, pots clanging, stuff going everywhere.
Sam, we had to come to you first because when you took the lid off the box, you went, oh, no. You're not a dessert man, are you?
Not a dessert man at all.
Kate, you claim yourself to be a bit of a dessert queen.
I suppose you could say that,
Yeah.
so I'm guessing that the pressure's on today.
What are you making?
I'm going to do olive oil, orange zest and chocolate cakes. And I'm going to attempt an orange sabayon sauce with it. I think it's going to impress the judges because I don't think many people are going to attempt to make a sabayon today.
Lucas, how are you guys?
Good, mate. How are you?
I'm just making a little cake.
Do you make cakes?
Occasionally, but I tend to have a recipe, so...
You got milk?
I have got milk. Milk goes in it, you reckon?
I don't know. I mean, you know, you're the guy cooking it. I know how to make a cake.
Trev,
Chef.
what are you serving today?
Today I'm actually going to do a coconut and chocolate pudding. And making dessert is a big thing for me, so I'm just winging it.
All right, then. Well, we'll just have to see.
Thank you.
Confidence, Trevor. You're a mother, you're a grandmother. You must have cooked hundreds of desserts.
I have.
What are you
and
doing?
I'm just going to make like an orange cake. See if I can make some coconut underneath, some pipes, some melted chocolate underneath.
Good luck, Jenny.
Well, good luck. You got 15 minutes to go, so you need to start thinking about tying it all up.
15 minutes to go, and I haven't cooked anything yet.
Poe.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
You well? What are you cooking for us?
I'm making some little chocolate pikelets to make a little stack.
You made chocolate pikelets before?
No.
OK, so you don't know how they cook, whether they burn or catch or...
No, I'm thinking it will catch.
But they may stick. They may burn.
They may burn.
OK.
Make sure you're not burning anything either. Really important.
OK, your time's running out. You've got 5 minutes to go. It's Kate. She's turned out a little muffin, a little chocolate cake.
Yep.
Do you think they've worked?
I'm still pretty confident that I'm going to finish my dish in the time left, and I'm pretty happy with the way I've worked so far.
Jenny, I think, you know, she's a grandmum, she's a mother. She would have made cakes and puddings, wouldn't she? And Poe's chocolate pikelets, orange syrup, creme pâtissière, that's a hard one, you know, that's a chocolate cream. You've got 1 minute to go. You're under pressure now. You have to put up your food. Time's up. Your 30 minutes is done. But this competition is getting serious now. If you're going to open a restaurant, if you're going to open a cafe, if food is going to be your industry, you need to know how to make good dessert. So the first dish that we'd like to taste, a little bit different, and that's why we like it, is Trevor.
I got called out first. I was pleasantly surprised, let's put it that way.
Thank you, Coach.
What did you cook?
It's coconut dumplings baked in custard.
Look, it's very sweet. That is so, so sweet. And it dominates everything. Sugar dominates everything. But as a pudding, and it's like a man's pudding, isn't it? That's a miner's pudding.
It's a miner's pudding, yes.
The custard and the scone mixture as a dumpling works quite well together. And if you refined it, I think you'd have quite a nice dish.
Thank you very much.
The custard's really nice and gooey and nice little concept, but yeah, just too much sugar. You're gonna give me a filling. The next person's dish that we'd like to see is Jenny.
I'm on the top 3. I'm really happy now. Intense orange and chocolate pudding.
So the orange is really prominent. It's intense. Yeah, I mean, it's just a little bit raw as well towards the bottom. But nice try. Thank you.
The reason I wanted to taste this one is because you must have baked many cakes and puddings in your time. You substituted oil instead of butter. In essence, they pretty much do the same thing, right? They shorten the flour. There's got to be enough sauce and enough pudding to match perfectly. So by the time you've swept around with the last little, you know, wedge of cake, that the last of your syrup goes with it. So the last dish that stood out from the pack, that stood out from the rest of what you put together, is from Poe.
Me? What the hell?
I'm just feeling really confused and I can't understand why they picked my dish. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that.
What's the dish?
Chocolate pikelets with an orange sauce.
There's quite a few pikelets in the line. They're actually really quite light, and they're nice and chocolatey, but not overpowering, nicely sweet. And the sort of orange syrup that you've put in there is quite nice. It could be better, of course, but considering you've never done them before, that's not bad, Poe.
Thanks, Gary.
You did a good job to not get them burnt, but still get them cooked through. They're nice, you know. Sunday morning, a couple of them. Yeah, it'd be good.
The judges are ready to reveal their decision.
First of all, well done. I think you're getting your head round these challenges and you're firing on all cylinders, you're having a go. So to the top three, the ones that we wanted to taste. Trevor, Jenny, Poe. You obviously stood out from the crowd. There can only be one winner. And that winner gets a serious advantage in today's invention test. It was obvious to us. The winner of today's mystery box is Poe.
It feels very strange and I'm confused, but I'm happy to accept based on what the judges told me that that was the best dish and I'm really happy.